everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products into my Instagram story, and everybody will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. First one, we're going to talk about the Matrix Biolage Advanced Oil Renew System Multitasking Oil Cream with soybean, coconut, and argan oil.
Oh yeah.
This has lightweight micro pieces to reconstruct dry and porous hair and make it healthy. It's a cream. It's going to lock in moisture and reduce the porosity of your hair to create a healthy, softer look. The 5 multitasking actions are to reduce frizz, enhance manageability, increased nourishment, and instant protection and instant absorption. Yes, that's a pretty good. It's good enough for me. The smell of this is pretty good. I don't mind it. And the way they want you to use it is that when you're in the shower, they want you to use it after the conditioner on wet hair. So what you want to do is they do highly recommend going from section to section. I would say split your hair in half, go vertical this way. A horizontal will be kind of a little bit hard. You might need, this guy here to hold on to that, and then go down here. That's the way you could do it horizontal, but vertical would probably be best. So just go from here to down with your finger, or a comb if you carry a comb inside the shower. And then what they want you to do is work your way from the bottom all the way up to the scalp with the cream, and then go ahead with your comb or your fingers or whatever you use. You don't have to, inside the shower. Yes. And now for the next item that I posted on my Instagram story, the Healthy Sexy Hair. And then, not kidding, they did this. It's Soya Want It All 2-in-1, or 22 in 1. Soy, cocoa, and argan oil. Leave-in treatment. This one, I don't see an expiration date on there. It is 5.1 ounce, and it actually sprays the cream, so you have to be a little careful on that where it sprays. And then oh gee, look at that. Look, I sprayed it and it comes out like that. When you're looking for this one online, it is no longer Soya Want It All, it's So You Want It All. They changed the ingredients, and the first ingredients, like I said, is soy. I don't know why they changed it. I want to assume that's the smell, because it's not great. So they probably took out the soy, cocoa, argan oil. They took all that. They formulated over again. So that's why they had to change the Soya Want It All. And it literally now says, So You Want It All. It is now infused with mimosa oil and moonstone. Literally everything else is the same. It literally has the same color, same top, same design, everything. It'll still say with Avic 22 in 1. It'll still have that. It will just now have mimosa flower extract and moonstones on the bottom here instead of the soy, cocoa, and argan oil. This isn't even that old. I think you could find it in some independent beauty supply shops. Both you can find at Ulta Beauty and ultabeauty.com. If anybody gets this at Ulta, let me know how the mimosa one smells. If it smells much better than this one, leave it down in the comments because I am curious. So, the benefits, like I said, you thought 5 was a lot. This one has 22 benefits. When I tell you guys right now, some of them sound a little bit repetitive, but it is meant to be two different things, which add up to like 22 items. I also had to search a little bit more because when you go to Ulta, I didn't see it, but it doesn't tell you the 22 benefits there. So I kind of had to dig around the internet and look for it. It wasn't too hard to find, but I found the 22 benefits for it. We have moisture, nourishment. Let's see if I could do this. Thermal protection, color protection, repairs and straightens dry hair and detangling. It reduces static and frizz, shields from humidity, adds prime, guessing primer for like colored hair, adds shine and smoothness, helps with the elasticity, environment protection, anti-aging and soothing, style control, damage control, and protects you from any damage, so damage protection. It's lightweight and from what they claim adds volume to the hair, and that would be the 22 benefits. So how you use it now, they do want you as well to use it in the shower. After you use conditioner, you go ahead and spray it into your palm instead of spraying it into the hair like they suggest, and then just comb through and you're done. Now for the results. If you look over here, sexy hair 7% and Matrix Biolage is 93%. Congratulations, Matrix, you are the winner. There we go. And that is all, my friends. It's been a big pleasure. I did do a live stream this week. I want to thank everybody who attended that. It was very fun. I enjoyed myself. Check it out, guys. I was unboxing something. Take a look at that video. We don't have any features for this week's video, but that's okay, because if you want to be featured for next week's video, then please go ahead down below in the comments and tell me why you chose Matrix or why you're choosing sexy hair and which one is your favorite. Leave them down again in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Thank you all again. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking.